Good morning, students. Continuation of chapter Air Around Us. In previous class, we discussed some exercises of this chapter that are tick the correct options and fill in the blanks. Today, we are going to discuss exercise C and D that are match the following and answer the following questions in brief. Let's proceed ahead. First, we will discuss exercise C, that is match the following. Students, in this exercise, you have to match with suitable one. Let's see first number, monoxide gas. And correct answer is B number, most harmful gas present in the atmosphere. So, you will match monoxide gas, most harmful gas present in the atmosphere. Now come in second number, weather. And correct and suitable match is E, atmospheric conditions for a specific place covering a short period of time. Weather, atmospheric conditions for a specific place covering a short period of time. Now come in third number, barometer. And suitable match is D number, an instrument to measure atmospheric pressure. Again I repeat, barometer, an instrument to measure atmospheric pressure. Now come in fourth number, atmospheric pressure. And suitable one is A number, weight or pressure exerted by the air. Again I repeat, atmospheric pressure, weight or pressure exerted by the air. Now come in last number, rainfall. And suitable answer is C, the falling of water drops on the earth's surface. Again I repeat, rainfall, the falling of water drops on the earth's surface. Now come in exercise D, that is answer the following questions in brief. Let's see first question, name the layers of the atmosphere. Answer is, the atmosphere is divided into 4 different layers. These are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. Again I repeat answer, the atmosphere is divided into 4 different layers. These are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. Now come in second number, how do plants absorb nitrogen? Answer is, plants absorb nitrogen through the soil. Again I repeat answer, plants absorb nitrogen through the soil. Now come in third number, what is the importance of water vapor in the atmosphere? Answer is, the importance of water vapor in the atmosphere is to form clouds that brings rainfall on earth. Now come in fourth number, name the different variables of atmosphere. Answer is, the different variables of atmosphere are water vapor, dust particles and ozone. Now come in fifth number, what type of climate does India have? Answer is, the climate of India is monsoonal. Today's home assignment, students, you have to learn and write these exercises. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.